we can really take a shot at deploying web10. Nice.
So then I don't lose this. That was gonna be mad annoying going back and forth. Okay.
Yeah, so open up GitHub desktop,
Right.
and then you have web10 clone because like you've been working on it, but
Yeah.
switch the branch to go to main. So like click that and then hit main.
Hmm.
So this is like a clean version of web10 that's like totally like deployable because you cloned it or you
Okay.
forked it, and so now this is kind of how the code would be if someone uh, cloned it or forked it.
Okay.
So anyway, let's go to Google Cloud and get you started.
Sounds good.
Yeah, yeah. So you could go into look up Google Cloud.
Okay. And then just the first link.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. And I don't know if you have Brew yet, right? I think Brew installed last
Brew.
time.
We got it. We did it. I'm pretty sure we installed Brew.
Very cool.
Yeah.
So hit get started for free.
Okay. Is it like similar? It's the same thing as Amazon Web Services, right?
Yeah, very similar.
Okay.
So this you could say
Small
personal
startup,
project.
personal project. Okay. Okay.
Give you $300 for free right like that.
How's that? What can I use it on though?
We'll use it to deploy this web10 thing, and then you could shut it off, and you'll still have it.
The
You could say individual.
individual. Okay.
You could so they don't bill you after the so you have to no longer.
I'm
But you could
gonna, what is it?
move it to
Stop
another
sharing.
screen.
What?
Yeah, you could
Yeah,
move it to the screen.
I'll
But
just stop sharing for a second
yeah,
and then
yeah, yeah.
yeah.
No, definitely share for this part.
What's up?
Definitely share for this part.
Oh yeah, I
The
got
part
you.
that everyone wants to see.
Yeah, this is the best part. Okay. I'm gonna share again.
Very cool.
Um learn, yeah.
Yeah, you can put anything. They just are trying to be ridiculous.
Bruh.
You're
Okay.
doing good though.
Oh yep. Alright.
And
Um
now look up Kubernetes engine. Mm.
Kubernetes. Oh, it's E, okay.
Oh yeah, so click that top one.
This one, right?
Mhm.
Okay. So what is Kubernetes exactly?
So Kubernetes is like a way to host Docker containers.
Okay.
Then this one you hit, um,
Enable.
yeah, you hit enable.
Okay.
So in the meantime, go into your terminal.
Okay,
So
yeah.
here, type brew install and then scaffold, but with a K. So like SKAFF,
This?
two Fs. Yeah. What that is it's a tool to make Kubernetes really easy on your computer.
Wait, does it matter where I install it, or does it just does it's not gonna install it in Web10, right? Folder.
It's like a command line
Okay.
tool. So we can
But
actually
I
it'll
mean, like,
it'll install.
where's it gonna install? That's what I'm saying.
Oh yeah, like in your command line. So like you run the command scaffold and it you can run it anywhere on your Mac, like just in the terminal.
Okay.
Or it's like installing it like the way when you install Python. So like you could type scaffold now. Yeah, yeah. So you have like a new command.
And what does it do? Wait, where's the okay? Let me see.
Yeah, lets you run like Kubernetes stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Um, so it'll be useful. So
Okay.
if you go to Chrome, yeah, so here's the Kubernetes cluster thing. So you want to hit create.
1 second. Create. Okay.
And you want to hit autopilot.
Okay. Configure or
You could hit configure because it's like forcing you to.
okay.
And scroll down and then just hit create.
Oh, select notify close region. Okay. Oh, create.
Yep. So that's loading. Go into VS Code.
Okay.
And then hit
Jingles.
yes, you have to open web10. Okay, so see there's a scaffold folder. I see it.
Yeah. Got it. Okay.
So go to that run example and hit Command C, like on the whole folder.
Yeah, and then just copy and paste it in here.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
There you go.
Just name it and
And
run.
just call it run, exactly. And then you can expand it out. And like just double click Kuber API, for example. So see how it says like pure phalanx 344719 or whatever?
Where? Oh yeah. Okay. I see. Yeah.
So that's like the name of the Google project.
Okay.
So like you could go back to your Google Cloud and click My First Project.
Tableau window.
It's next to the search bar, My First Project.
Okay. Brown plugin. All right.
So see how it's called Emerald Trilogy?
Yeah.
You copy that and you're going to replace everywhere where it says that pure phalanx thing with Emerald Trilogy.
And what is that exactly?
So it's like pretty much like um, your Google Cloud project has this thing called like a Docker registry. It's like a Google Cloud service. So like the Docker container is going to get pushed up to your project instead of my project. So mine's called Pure Phalanx. So you want to like just
Here's this
use
part.
yeah, gcr.io is like the registry, and then like it
Like
needs
this.
to know what Google Cloud you're using. Yeah, like what project exactly.
Do I leave the API part?
Yeah, because
Okay.
it's pretty much it knows now like what your where your stuff is at. And so now like you can kind of custom name it whatever you want.
Okay.
So now save that.
Mhm.
And you're going to do that for all 7 of those other files. I don't know if the last one has that as an issue.
Oh. Wait, what do you mean there's an issue?
We'll figure it out. You might have to save them though too, but there might be a way to save it easy. Yeah, you're doing good though. This is
Oh yeah, some copy and
captive.
paste work, bro. It's hard as hell. Alright. So you're saying I
Oh,
don't have to
actually,
do
this one you do. Actually, I was
great.
wrong. I thought it wouldn't be in there. So
So for every single one of these, I have to do that?
yeah. So you could Control F actually. It's a Command F because Command Shift F is the whole project.
Oh,
So see
okay.
that arrow? Hit the arrow next to it, and
This?
now paste your thing in there
Oh, and
and
then but
copy my thing.
okay, bro, that's crazy. I never knew you could do that shit. That's crazy.
It's really nice.
Yeah.
and now you hit replace all. So there's a button that says like all instead of just replace one.
Where does
It's
it say?
so that's replace one, and then the one next to it's
This
replace
one,
all.
right?
Yeah, bam, all at once.
That's pretty cool.
So yeah, save it, and now you're set up. Like this is looking
Okay.
good. Like all your stuff is configured.
Well, if only I knew what I did though.
Hmm. Let's get you a domain name that you like. Free.
Okay.
So go to type in your browser freenom, like FREENOM.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. You got a free domain name.
Okay.
So type in that find a free new domain, a domain that you want. Chev's web. That's good. Oh, it's type chevsweb.tk because like this website's like borderline like broken.
Wait, why can't I just do get now here?
Yeah, do that,
Or
do that, but it might break because it's like
yeah, I'll just
the
type.
last time I did it, like the UI hated me when I did that.
Okay.
Yeah, and then you hit checkout. And then make it 12 months.
Very interesting.
Ta-da. Yeah.
That's it?
Yes, use social sign-in. So sign in with Google.
Okay.
We're gonna learn a lot about all the things.
Let me verify the thing.
We could well, you could refresh the page to see what happens.
Oh wait, I could just do it here, I guess. Hold on, let me see.
Oh, it actually
Oh wait,
worked.
no, it worked here. It worked on my phone, it should work. Alright.
Oh, so hit sign in
Okay.
and you'll know if you're you got it.
Oh, okay, yeah.
So then hit services and then my domains. Oh, you
Yeah.
got it.
Yeah.
Now you're gonna make another thing called Cloudflare.
Okay.
So go and type Cloudflare. Yeah. Oh, get started for free. Yeah, here you go. Great. So hit domain registration. Actually, hit websites
Okay.
and then hit add site.
Mhm.
And you own a site now. What's the name of it? You have to type the name that you just got.
In here,
Yeah.
chefs web.tk. Why does it end on TK? Like, what is that?
It's like this country called Tokolo that has free domain names.
Interesting.
um is definitely free. Hit the free thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this you could hit continue because we're not going to do this.
Mhm.
This we have to do. So scroll down. And so you have these things, Carl and Nookum.
What is it?
So you want to copy Carl and go to the client area in Freenom, and then hit manage domain,
Mm-hmm.
and hit management tools,
Mm-hmm.
name servers, and then hit use custom, and then paste that thing, and then paste the other one too.
Wait, what is this?
So this is like pretty much um, gives like Cloudflare ownership over the domain, so that Cloudflare is managing it instead of Freenom. So it's like you
And what
got
is
the. Oh, say it again.
what does Cloudflare do exactly?
Cloudflare like makes it so that like it manages all your domain records for the domain. It's this thing called the domain name server.
Mm-hmm.
So like you bought the domain with Freenom, but you want to use Cloudflare as your domain name server. So you'll see we're going to configure all these things with Google Cloud, so that like though Chev's web.tk like actually shows like the things that we have hosted.
Okay.
Yeah. So it'll be really convenient. So now you change the names. It says change saved successfully.
Mm-hmm.
So go back to Cloudflare and you're gonna hit that you did it. So you say
That
done.
yeah.
Um oh, so this you could hit um I'm thinking about this. Yeah, you could hit get started, actually.
Yeah. Okay.
So yeah, that's good. You want it to always make it HTTPS, like it's like forcing it. And then hit
It makes my website HTTPS, you mean?
yeah, pretty much.
Or what?
That you
Okay.
save. And this one switch to always use HTTPS. It like forces so like flip the switch because it'll if someone tries to connect with
What's
HTTP, it'll make
what's the
them
difference?
HTTPS is secure, like it's end-to-end encrypted, while HTTP isn't.
Why would anybody ever use HTTP?
Well, I think like it was before HTTPS, so it was like the previous technology. So now like no one uses it anymore.
Mm-hmm.
Save.
What is this?
Oh, that one. Actually, you could do that. I don't know what that is.
Fuck it.
Um,
Nah, now it worked. Lit.
no. Um, Scroll down
Yeah.
because you definitely did this. So hit
Mm-hmm.
check name servers. Okay, cool. So now like it's getting hooked up. So you're in a good
Mm-hmm.
spot here. So now I think we have to look up how to install Google Cloud on Mac.
Okay.
So oh wow, are they really going to make you do
What
it
is
that
this
way?
stuff?
Um I think you're running a 64-bit thing.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
So just scroll up and download the thing.
This one.
Yeah,
Okay.
there you go. So that'll be nice. So this will work. Could open that. Oh, nice.
Okay.
Um, so like drag it into your home folder.
This whole folder.
Yeah, like into Chev.
Got it.
Nice. So it's in there.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, it's saying to run install.sh. Okay.
Run install the sh.
Yeah, so
What does it
open your
say?
terminal.
Okay.
So type,
Uh,
home. Yeah, and then hit
just home.
enter.
Okay.
Yeah, because I programmed that in the shell
Oh yeah, I
profile.
remember. Yeah, yeah.
So now, type ls, and, oh, yeah, so now cd into Google Cloud SDK, and then type ls. So now type /install.sh. Yep,
Okay.
and
Oh
then
yeah, I
enter.
see it. Wait, so what was it? We just
So now it's
okay.
installing, the Google Cloud CLI on your computer. So you hit yes, and, it'll go. Yeah.
Just click enter. Yeah.
Yeah, this looks good.
No, I don't need a Python installer, right? Or yeah.
You could do it,
Yeah. Okay.
or,
Okay.
this is cool. We're running through, like, all the steps from scratch, so this will be
Yeah.
pretty useful. Nice. It's done. So maybe you kill your terminal and try opening it again.
Hmm.
Now type gcloud. Ta-da! It's, doing it.
Oh, okay. Wait. Oh, I mean, yeah, yeah. So just quit for now. I guess cure.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
So now you
So
can
do we have
type,
to do init
right?
or not?
Now you can type gcloud in it.
Okay. Then so what is it? This is like connecting me to like the
Yeah.
services, like the G Cloud. Okay.
Yeah, it's like a tunnel between your cloud and your laptop.
Okay. Allow, I guess. Again. Okay.
Yeah, so now go into Google Cloud, like that autopilot tab with the hexagon,
This one. No, okay, I gotcha.
and copy, so hit the connect button and copy that command.
Oh, we didn't do it yet, right? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Wait,
Oh,
what is
oh,
this?
so click 1. So that's like choosing which project.
We don't have
Yeah.
to do this.
Yeah. You could hit yes and scroll up. It's probably 1 is good.
One, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, wow, you did it. So now,
So now, yeah,
paste that thing in.
yeah.
Okay, so you don't have kubectl. So type, brew install, kubectl, and you'd have to
Where's
install,
it from?
uh,
Kube.
kub. It says use of kubectl in that, like, red message.
Yeah.
So
Okay, I see it.
yeah.
Yeah, I gotcha.
So, like, on Windows, you would just install it, from the website too. So,
What is the kubectl?
it's, uh, command line tools to control Kubernetes,
Mm-hmm.
and Scaffold does kubectl commands in the
Mm-hmm.
background, and also, Google Cloud uses it. So that's why that command freaked out.
Mm-hmm. Oh, there's an error.
Okay. Type, kubectl. CTL. It
Real
looks
work.
good. So yeah,
Yeah.
paste your command again. Oh, okay. So actually, okay. So just go to that website that they're telling you to go to.
Mm-hmm.
So
Okay.
yeah, it says, follow
Yeah.
cloud.google.com. Oh, yeah, I see some stuff about installing the thing. So scroll down a little.
Mm,
Okay, so do that command.
let's come in. Okay, gotcha.
Oh, very cool.
Very interesting. Yeah.
Um, yeah, so this is hooking up the Kubernetes connection between your
Mm,
Mac and Google Kubernetes.
okay. All right. So we go back to this one, right?
Yeah, now use that command that you copied, yeah,
Okay.
from Google Cloud.
Okay.
And
It
it did.
worked.
So now you're hooked up to Google Cloud. So now type web10,
Okay.
type cd scaffold. Yeah, so scaffold is the folder that like deploys your web10 project. So like
Mhm.
if you type cd run
Oh.
and now type
Okay.
scaffold run. It's going crazy. It's pushing web10 to Kubernetes.
Interesting.
So while that's going, it's
Mhm.
pushing web10 to Kubernetes. We could go to Cloudflare and see how that's doing.
Okay. Cloudflare. Oh,
Ta-da! You're good. So now you hit
cool.
the DNS button,
Mhm.
and this is where we're gonna add all the magic, like all the stuff that hooks it up.
Mhm. Okay.
So now you could go into Kubernetes, like the hexagon one,
Mhm.
and let's see what happens if you like click the workloads button.
This?
Oh no, hit OK,
Oh, okay.
and see on the left pane it says workloads.
Yep. How is this different from the Docker stuff we usually do?
Yeah, it's like exactly the same, except other people are going to be able to go on because like the other one was just on your laptop, but this is like the
Oh,
whole
so
internet.
so you're essentially hosting these containers on the cloud, right? Okay.
Exactly. So this is like how you develop, make some changes locally, and then you can use scaffold to push them out.
So Docker's only for local stuff, or?
So Docker's for like has really good stuff for local development, and then it makes it super easy because you can deploy your cloud stuff in Docker containers. So like scaffold and Kubernetes lets you deploy your Docker containers.
Yeah, but I mean like Docker itself, like the application or whatever, it's not like you can't. You need like a cloud service, right, to like deploy it, I guess, is what I'm saying, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, okay, got it.
So you need like Google Cloud or DigitalOcean or one of these people that you pay to host it.
Hmm. But you only have to pay if you like hosting like a really large data, right? Or
Well, you have to pay, but you're paying with your $300 of free credit.
oh, but how long is that gonna last me? Is it
So
like a
it might,
daily
I
thing,
I
or?
think it would last a few months, but you could shut off all the Kubernetes stuff so it doesn't burn. And then also, if you sign up for the Google Cloud Startup Program, they just give you $2,000 of credit, which is what I did.
Hmm. That's cool. Okay,
So you could say,
and
you
that's how you were
know,
running the web 10 stuff.
mhm, yeah, okay, it might be in good shape.
Okay,
So you could
should I
go and
reload this?
yeah, reload it. Like I'm curious if
Hmm.
any of this stuff is um yeah, Google Cloud is really simple. Like I tried using AWS for like 2 weeks and I was having a lot of trouble with it when I got started.
Oh,
I could
AWS is
figure
like
it
more
out.
complicated.
Yeah, I could figure it out now, but, like, as a total beginner,
Mm-hmm.
like, I figured out Google Cloud in, like, 3 days or something, like,
Mm.
because I just did all these steps in the video, and I was like, "This
How
just
how
worked."
come how come most places use AWS?
I think AWS is, like, more established, like, they were before Google Cloud, or they came first,
Mm-hmm.
so, they had a head start, but I'm a big Google Cloud fanboy. Oh, now it's really going. Just looking.
Okay, I'll reload. I'll
It's
refresh
actually
this.
going for it. So, like, your thing is totally complaining because there's not enough, CPUs, so it's, like, gonna take 2 minutes to get the CPUs. Like, it's this thing Kubernetes Autopilot, so it, like, automatically allocates resources to your containers as they're needed.
Wait, so my computer's just like not strong enough to host it or what?
No, Google Cloud isn't strong enough, so, like, Google Cloud is, like, beefing up right now.
Mm-hmm.
So, see, it's, like, starting to beef up. So, this is the cool thing, it's, like, not dependent on your laptop at all. That's a pretty good thing about Google Cloud
Wait, why is it struggling? Why is Google Cloud struggling to host these containers?
because it had, like, no computers allocated to the containers, and so, like, it just, it's, like, freaking out, and now, like, Google Cloud is saying, "Okay, now I gotta put the computers on the containers, and then it's gonna be fine."
And like when you say put computers in these containers, is it actual physical containers and like servers and shit?
Yeah, so, like, your containers, which are virtual, are going on, like, actual servers, pretty much.
Okay.
So, actually, look at it now. It's looking like it's probably in good shape on the like, if you refresh, it's starting to look good.
Oh yeah, most
Yeah,
couple of them are
they're coming along.
okay.
Refresh it one more time. I think it's probably
That's already done. Okay. One
so
more.
click the, home one. Click home.
Oh, okay. Like click check mark it or what? Okay.
No, you
Never
did it
mind.
right. So now
Yeah, it
hit
just
expose.
takes
You have to hit, expose.
let others access your deployment. Okay. So other people can access. So how do they access this though?
You'll see. So, like, that's perfect. Hit expose,
Okay.
and, now click workloads again. You're gonna do it for, API.
Should we just let one finish or we could just do all of them
No,
at the same
you
time?
could, go crazy.
Alright. Alright, but
So,
same thing. This
yeah,
is good.
looking good.
Okay.
And then do it for auth.
Okay.
You can hit
Ooh.
expose. Oh,
What's
yeah,
these errors?
it's,
What's up?
uh-oh. That's interesting that it, had an error. Okay, so hit, workloads. Actually, auth is healthy now,
I mean, it was healthy. It said it was okay. Oh, what the hell? Okay. Alright. I guess it's healthy.
and hit expose.
Alright. Yeah.
Just took a minute.
Should we, are we
And
gonna have to do it for each one?
do it for CRM, 'cause,
Oh,
CRM is, like, pretty essential.
also, okay, these. Okay. Also, all of these, what is it? Uh, these are containers, right? All of
Yeah,
these
they're
like
container.
CRM. What does each correspond to?
So auth corresponds to the portal where you enter all your login info,
Mhm,
and, API is the thing that, like, is actually Web10.
mhm,
Home is the Web10 homepage, and then, CRM is the Web10 demo app, the customer
mhm,
relationships manager.
mhm.
So the other
Okay.
ones, you actually don't even have to do. So hit, services in Ingress, It's under workloads.
Services, yeah. See,
So now all of your Docker containers have IP addresses on the internet. Anyway, let's set up your name servers so your name servers work.
sure.
So go to the home service.
Home
So click
service.
service and ingress. Services and ingress.
Yeah, yeah, gotcha.
And then there's this one called home service, which is like where the home page is getting
Click
delivered. Hmm.
on this one. Okay.
And
And then
copy the endpoint IP address.
okay.
Yeah. You don't even need the 80 part.
Oh, really?
Hmm. And then
Okay.
now go into the Cloudflare tab. Yeah, you
Cloudflare
had it.
tab.
It's
Okay.
Orange Cloud. And type
Yep.
add record.
Oh, in here. Oh,
Oh no, it's the right, yeah, that one. And then
yeah.
type at, like the email symbol,
Type. Oh,
like
in
that.
name. Oh, yeah.
Just at. And now
Uh-huh.
put the IPv4 address that you copied in. No, not there, like next to it
Oh, okay.
in the other field. There you go. So that's gonna point your homepage to the right spot. And um
How? Okay. Wait. Okay. I'm confused what we're doing here.
so this is like connecting your free website domain to the actual Google Cloud IP address. So like when you type chevsweb.tk, it'll actually
It's gonna.
work.
I see. I
Like so
got
you
you.
don't have to
Makes
type that
sense.
long number in.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. 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 That makes sense. Okay. That's cool.
So now you could try
We're
typing.
still. Try what?
Let's see if it works for the homepage. Like you could try typing
For this?
chevsweb.tk.
Try. Yeah.
Yeah.
Should I do HTTPS or just this will be fine?
Actually, it'll just figure it out for you.
Okay. Wow, that works.
Ta-da! You're hosting it.
That's cool. So anybody
Thank
can
you.
come here, right?
So let's do the other ones. So you need to like hook up the
Okay.
API. So go to services and ingress,
Mm-hmm.
and you're gonna do. Let's do the CRM actually.
Sure. Okay. Can I just copy and paste this endpoint? That's it, right?
Yeah.
That's
So
all I
you
need.
exactly you got it.
Okay. And then where oh
And now
we had
make
another one?
make a new record. And this one you're gonna say type CRM in the name.
Type CRM, okay.
So now if people type crm.chevsweb.tk, it'll go to that IP address.
Okay, I got you.
And
What would happen if I did the same at root? Would it give me an error because the name would be the same? Like it'd give me an
yeah,
error, right?
yeah, be
If I
like a
did this
collision.
right now.
Yeah, that it would like it wouldn't give you an error, but it could cause an issue. Like
Okay.
you don't really know which one would win the fight between the two
So
records.
so if I did do this, every time I visit this website, it'd be random which one I'd actually go to?
I
Is
don't
that
know
what
if
you're
it'd be
saying?
random or if one would win. Maybe there'd be like a
Yeah.
priority or something
I see. Okay. So just save this and then I can go.
to crm.chevsweb.tk.
Yeah, it works. That's pretty
Uh,
cool.
very cool, right?
Yeah, it is very cool.
So set up for auth and API, do the same thing as the CRM, kind of like how I have it, where it's like
Oh,
auth.web10.app.
second.
So it's a good
So
exercise to see
go
if,
to auth, right?
yeah, exactly. Hook them all up.
Okay. And then what are we
So
gonna call this? What is this
you
one?
type
Auth.
auth.
So
There you go.
okay. Uh,
And you need API, and then you're good.
why do I keep coming here? Okay. API, right?
Mhm.
Save. Save.
Yeah, so you're in good shape here.
This was not
Yeah.
found. This was the one that we never got to load
Oh, no,
through, wasn't it?
you did good. You got it right.
Oh, this is it?
Like,
But
type
it says
slash
detail
doc.
not found.
Like,
What's
type,
up?
yeah, that's how an API is supposed to act, like, type slash docs. Boom.
Oh.
Yeah, so it's up.
Wait, why doesn't API have to behave like that?
Well, I mean, it's not supposed to just be visited like a website. You're supposed to, like, call certain endpoints, and then it
Mhm.
delivers data. So, like, that endpoint isn't,
Mhm.
programmed. So
Mhm.
now
Okay.
you're in good shape. Go into your,
Okay.
VS Code, because, like, your scaffold, um go into your scaffold folder, run, and then go into Kuber API. So look, it says that, the provider is api.web10.app, but, like, that's not actually the case.
Uh,
It's really gonna be, your, domain name, so api.chevsweb.tk.
but where's
It's
the
on
provider? I don't see.
line 21.
21. Okay. Wait, it says supposed to be, oh yeah. So it's supposed to be
So
Chev.
api.chevsweb, yeah, .tk. Yeah, and
Did I
this
do it
is
for each
like,
one? Or?
for the sake of security. So KuberAuth you could go to. Like, see,
Kuber,
yeah, that one. Oh yeah, so this is like, what's the default API that it's gonna put in? Yeah, you can put same thing, api.chevsweb. You want that to be the default. So save it.
mm-hmm.
Um, look inside of,
CRM.
CRM looks fine, and home is
And then,
fine.
oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's it then.
So, now go into your settings file. Like, this is something that I'm realizing that I should, program into the deployment stuff.
Mm-hmm.
But see how it says core service managers?
Yeah.
Uh, add a add a line.
After this?
Yeah, like, you wanna add your own authentication server.
Uh, okay, gotcha.
You're gonna type, like, auth.chevsweb.tk.
Yeah.
Yep, and then you could save it.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
And this
Mm-hmm.
whole idea of core service managers is, like, to make sure no one programs, like, a virus-y service manager. Like, if you're the one
How does it
hosting
do
the
that?
API, so,
Mm-hmm.
like, the API isn't gonna allow, like, any other service managers to hook up other
Mm-hmm.
than these 5 websites.
Gotcha, makes sense.
So, it's like a trick.
Wait,
Um,
to hook up to what though exactly?
because, like, you have the API that has all the web10 data, and then
Yeah.
someone can make, like, a virus-y website that's, like, auth.web10.app that people log into.
Mm-hmm.
So, like, as the provider in this settings file, you list the authenticator apps that you trust.
What do we
So, like,
rerun?
type, scaffold run, and it'll redeploy all your stuff with the new settings.
Okay.
Also, I think CRM is programmed in a pretty sketchy way,
What do you
where it's
mean?
not gonna go straight. So, like, go back to the CRM. code, like go into web10,
Mm-hmm.
click CRM, and then click index.html.
Mm-hmm.
So actually, the part that you log in is in the scripts. So go into go into the JS folder and click index. And so, oh, here. So it says like if it's local, then do auth.localhost.
Mm-hmm.
Then if it's yeah, it's like set up for only my domain, but not like anyone else's domain.
Mm-hmm.
So pretty much just change line 33 to say auth.chevsweb.tk.
And so okay, this thing, right?
Yeah, yeah,
Chevs web
yeah.
the TK.
.tk.
Okay,
And now you could save it.
and it should work now. You think?
Yeah, and then type scaffold run again because this will like make it so it goes to your
Should I
authenticator.
cancel this?
Yeah, you could hit Control C.
Okay. Scaffold run or run scaffold? I forgot. Scaffold run, right?
Um, yeah.
Okay. Wait. What did that do? You were saying?
Oh, it's gonna make it so the CRM goes to your authenticator to authenticate. Like this is like
Mm-hmm.
pretty much the actual web10 app
Wait.
code for the CRM.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but anyway, I think we did well. We could call it
Yeah,
here because it's like it's you connect. This is like definitely how to deploy it to Google Cloud. This is like a good
for
intro. You
sure.
got everything installed on your computer for Google Cloud. So
Yeah, for sure.
and all the websites are hooked up.
Mm-hmm.
And this is the first time I ever showed anybody how to host this stuff. So very
That's
cool.
cool. That is really cool.
Win. All right. So good night. I'll let you go.
Yeah, for sure. Where are you gonna post this stuff? I'd wanna like, if I ever need to understand something better, maybe I'd watch it back.
Yeah, yeah. I'm gonna put it on YouTube. I'm gonna clip it up.
Oh, on YouTube. Damn. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
But anyway, cool, cool, cool.
Cool. All right.